Hello! I'm making your birthday video. So, don't talk in my video. Okay, so you are, is it a fish? So you're 15 now. So this means we have to have a talk about growing older and doing bad things. Because you're older doesn't mean you can do bad things, because bad things are bad. And bad things hurt you. What is it? Okay, sorry. I'm showing me pictures. I'm telling you how bad things happen. And, yeah. So, now that you're older, now that you're wiser, I think that's from the Rugrats or something. But anyway, why do I look all discolored? Like, what's that on me? So, yeah. Happy birthday. What else can I sing? I can sing to you. On the phone. Oh, wait. Stuck on the CD. Okay, I'm not gonna sing to you because it's stuck on the CD and I can't sing to the CD. Alright, so happy birthday, and I love you, and I will talk to you later.